To give us more details about the discussions of our previous presenter, no? Again, as what she mentioned, no, that business analytics and data-driven strategies are essential tools in modern organizational decision making, no, allowing businesses to transform raw data into valuable insight. Through leveraging statistical analysis, no, machine learning, and data visualization tools, organization can uncover trends, no, identify inefficiencies, and forecast future outcomes. Business analytics bridges the gap, no, between data collection and strategic action, enabling leaders to make informed, evidence-based decisions rather than relying on intuition or outdated practices. A data-driven strategy refers to the practice of making strategic choices based on data analysis rather than guesswork. Wait, I try to open my camera. Okay. Uh, Organizations that embrace this approach develop competitive advantage through more accurate customer insights, operational efficiencies, and targeted marketing. So it shifts the focus from reactive decision-making to proactive predictive planning. With digital tools now embedded in nearly every function, finance, sales, supply chain, and human resource, data-driven strategies ensure alignment and agility across departments. So there are several types of business analytics. No? Descriptive analytics, explain what has happened. No? The diagnostic analytics, explore why it happened. And predictive analytics, forecast future outcomes. Uh, and prescriptive analytics suggest possible courses of action. So when integrated, these tools form a powerful decision support system. For instance, no, a retail company might use predictive analytics to forecast inventory needs during peak seasons, then apply prescriptive analytics to optimize supply chain logistics. However, no, implementing data-driven strategies is not without challenges. Now, companies must overcome issues such as data silos, sabi nga ni Madam, poor data quality, lack of skills analysts, and resistance to change. Moreover, ethical considerations such as data privacy and algorithmic transparency must be addressed because businesses must invest in training, no, data governance frameworks, and technologies like data lakes and artificial intelligence platforms to fully capitalize, no, on data potential. So, therefore, this topic, no, summarize in business analytics and data-driven strategies empower our organizations to be smarter, faster, and more adaptive. No? In today's competitive landscape, no, the ability to harness and interpret data effectively is no longer optional. Take note of it, mga business entrepreneur. It's a strategic necessity. No? As businesses continue to navigate uncertain environments, data will be the cornerstone of resilience and growth. Okay, so I think that's it. This will be the gist of the discussions or topic discussed by our first presenter.